Hey Miss Mamas, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Makeup Moon. If you're new here, you might hear some sirens, and if not, you in the hood now, baby. So, in honor of Black History Month, I had to take it back to the Hollywood Shots days, okay? We taking it before the 99s and the 2000s. How many of y'all still have them mall pics from back in the day? I know you still got some. Today, I'm basically just recreating the baddie early 2000s makeup look. Black beauty to me is truly the standard, and without Black baddies influence, the girls would truly be lost. Like, let's be real here. So when you talk about soft glam all the way to like super artistic looks, you can't talk about it without referencing the Black community first. So today I just want to pay homage to my community and serve a look. So let's just get into the tutorial. So my skin is already freshly washed and moisturized per usual. So what I'm going to do first is prime my skin using Tatcha's Silk Canvas, and I'm just going to put that on all over. Next, I want to focus on the skin, so I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. And guys, I am in the shade 14 Cool, and I'm going to apply that all over as well. And I am going to use my Ulta Beauty number 12 brush. Y'all, I told y'all I'm really liking this foundation. It just really gives the girls like true skin. And I'm really big, even though I like full coverage foundations, I'm just really big on my foundation still giving me a skin like finish. And girl, if you could give me that, then you can join the team. Just want to put a little bit more. Not the little scarf print still on my forehead. But anyway, now that we have the foundation applied, what I'm doing now is just kind of just reinforcing the product into the skin, just pressing it in, making sure it's nice and blended. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer. I feel like I look like a little kid. But next I'm going to go in with my favorite concealer, and it's the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. And this time I'm not going to really use like a highlighting shade. I'm going to use the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to let the setting powder kind of do the highlighting for me, because again, we in the 2000s right now, sis. Okay, we're not doing a bright highlight. All right. Before I blend out my concealer, I do also want to add Merit Beauty's highlighting balm, and this is in the shade Bounce. And I'm just going to kind of also just kind of put that in the areas that I really want to glow, because I feel like the baddies just always had this natural pretty glow. And so we're just going to add some of that. I really love like that glow from within, and I feel like back in the early 2000s, that's what the girls had, like that really pretty, just natural glow to the skin. So instead of using like a shimmer highlight today, I'm opting for the highlighting balm. And so now what I'm going to do is just blend that out, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush in number 402. Okay guys, so I just want to point something out real quick. Notice how like when I'm blending out my concealer, I'm also just kind of placing like the extra product that's on the brush on my eyelids too, just to kind of give it a nice solid canvas, and also kind of have my eyes with that pretty glow as well. Next, I'm going to take the One Size Beauty translucent powder in the shade Dark Deep. I have been using this a lot more than a Laura Mercier powder, and y'all, I'm really loving this powder. Like Patrick understood the assignment too, honey. And to apply this powder, I am going to use a velour powder puff. And what I'm going to do is just pack my face with a little bit of powder all over. Not the bang, the bang.
Oh look, not the bang, the bang. Oh, fuck no.
Also, make sure you're packing your eyelids with the that same setting powder, because this is pretty much going to be my eyeshadow, honestly. And remember when I was putting the concealer on, I said that I was going to let the powder do the highlighting. This is where your second powder comes in. So I'm just going to use a little bit of my NARS Light Reflecting Setting Powder in the shade Shore underneath my eyes. Alright y'all, so I'm also not going to do a heavy contour, nor am I going to use blush, which is my favorite. But I'm going to keep it really nice and soft. So what I'm going to do is go in with the Beauty Bakery Brownie Bar Face Palette. And this face palette has bronzer and a highlighter, so I'm going to use both. Now at first I said I wasn't going to use a shimmer highlight, but I cannot resist this gold shade in this palette. It's just way too pretty, and I think gold was like a staple. Okay, so we're going to use gold a little bit on the face as well. Alright, so I just laid down the darkest shade. And remember, when you're putting on like bronzers, bronzers, contour, anything, always blend upward, because you don't want to blend downward. It's not giving that. Okay, so now I'm taking that middle shade and just kind of fluffing it out. And honestly, this shade is so pretty. It's kind of almost acting like a blush. It might be a blush, I don't even know, but it's giving what I wanted to give, so that's all that matters. Okay, and now I'm just going in with my Morphe M510, and I'm picking up some of that gold shade now. And I'm scared, I just want to put a little bit. See, she's too icy. See, that's why I didn't want to do the shimmer. It's pretty, but alright guys, and I'm just gonna take a little teeny bit of liquid liner just to thin the line, and I'm only doing this because I want to again give my eye a little bit of shape. So straight on like that, that's it. What this eye be giving me lazy eye. Alright y'all, now I'm going in with my Maybelline Sky High mascara, and I'm just gonna do a light coat of that because I am gonna add a lash, but it's not gonna be dramatic. It's gonna be like a little wispy lash from Kiss, because we was not wearing no lashes back then, okay? It was giving mascara and lip gloss. And y'all know when I get to the lips, they about to be extra glossy. And it's so funny because my auntie be like, Moo, why do your lips be looking like a bucket of grease? Girl, because I don't want no crusty, dusty lips. That's why. Bucket of grease me, please. Alright, y'all. So I'm just using some wispy lashes from Kiss. These are number 8. That's what they look like, in case anybody's wondering. Number 8. So wispy. Girl, where's the lash glue? I think I want to cut these. Let me see. Ooh, that's cute. Okay. Let me put the glue on. Y'all be getting so pressed when I be doing makeup. Like when I haven't taken any clients in a while, but normally like when I have clients and they be like, oh, just do whatever you want to do, Moo. Girl, I just be making up stuff as I go along, and when they be coming out cute, girl, I be getting so hyped. And they just be like, they be laughing at me, but I know in their mind, they be like, this girl is too much. So y'all, I'm just putting some glue on my lashes, and we gonna apply those. Y'all, this look is so cute. I cannot wait to take pictures. Alright y'all, so I'm just taking a little bit of eyebrow mascara to brush my brow hairs in place because I don't necessarily really want to like pencil them in. I think that'll take away from the look a little bit. So I'm just brushing them in place. So for one, they stay in place all day, but for two, they just look super, super natural. We look cute. So all right, let me take this. I know y'all probably think I already have on lip gloss, but this is just some lip butter. So I'm gonna wipe her off. I have to do the baddie. Oh, before I even do my lip, I want to do a mole. Let me see. I'm going to use this same liquid. I hope I don't mess it up. So I think I should put my little beauty mark back where it belongs. Period. It's a little dot. Nah, I'm not even about to try to make it big because I'm going to mess up. I'm about to do one of them little Kim jumps too. Nah, I ain't gonna do it. But for lips, I'm gonna do girl, where's Chestnut? Okay y'all, so for my lip, I'm gonna go in with Chestnut from MAC, and I'm going to line my lips with that. Guys, now I'm just filling in my top lip with that same pencil. Now I'm gonna skip the lipstick and I'm gonna go straight in with my favorite, y'all. When I say I have so many of these, it's not even funny. I have at least 2 in all locations, period. This is my favorite beauty supply store lip gloss from Nicka K Beauty. Is it Nicka K? Yeah. Oh, she changed her packaging, I guess. But anyway, y'all, this is the best clear lip gloss on the market. I'm telling you. It don't get too sticky. It don't do too much. I mean, it will run a little bit if you put too much on, but just don't put too much on. And I'm just gonna put too much on because that's just what I do. Okay, y'all, this is my final look. Very quick, easy, and it's very much giving what the bags gave back in the day. I just want to say happy Black History Month to all of my baddies. Let me know what you guys think about this look down in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you like the video and the girl purr. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the post bell notification so that you do not miss an upload. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I loved creating it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.